Hello, right now I'm cleaning my NeoBeam config and I've been using this plugin for a couple of months. I want to remove this plugin. What this plugin does is if you type, for example, square bracket, it auto-completes with the close square bracket. This can be done very easy in Beam. For example, you can set a keymap. Insert mode, the square bracket, and then the pair, and you can have that functionality with this. I want to do the same with curly braces and parentheses. So now if I run this, I should have the functionality. Okay, if I type curly braces, okay, if I type square bracket, okay, and parentheses, that's it. With 3 lines you replace this plugin. So hope you like it. See you.